8th standard maths.
Good morning students. 8th standard first sum lesson 1 numbers. Previous classes see fraction of numbers and examples. Today class rational numbers. Rational numbers form a by b. B not equal to 0 and a comma b are integers. It is denoted by rational numbers denoted by q. Okay, rational numbers form a by b. B not equal to 0. B not equal to 0. A and b are the integers. Difference between fraction and rational numbers. Fraction only positive integer, positive numbers. Rational numbers positive and negative numbers. Okay, standard form. Rational numbers standard form. Example 1 by 2, 3 by 4, minus 5 by 6. Okay. Rational number denominators are positive integers. Positive integers. Numerator occurs only negative integers. Okay. Next. Common factor. Numerator and denominator common factor is 1. Okay. Rational number standard form. Denominator is positive integer. Denominator only positive integer. Negative integers occurs numerator. Negative integers occurs only numerator. Okay, numerator and denominator common factor 1. Common factor 1. 1 by 2, 2 by common number 1. 3 by 4 and 3 and 4 common factor 1. Minus 5 and 6 common factor 1. Denominator positive integer. Negative integers occurs only numerator. No common factor. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Other than 1. This is standard form of the rational numbers. Denominator positive integers only. Negative integers occurs only numerator. No common factor. No common factor numerator and denominator other than 1. It is called the rational number standard form. Okay. The rational number is here not a standard form. You simplify it to the rational numbers. For example, 5 by minus 6. This is not a rational number. 5 by minus 6 into minus 1 by minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6. So minus 5 by 6. This is a standard form. Rational numbers standard form. Next, positive and negative in the rational numbers. Positive and negative rational numbers. Positive and negative rational same sign. Minus 11 by minus 9. Numerator and denominator same sign. So positive rational number. This rational number is positive rational number. minus 5 by 7, 9 by minus 11. This is not standard form of the ratio number. You convert to minus 9 by 11. Okay. The fraction numerator and denominator different sign is the negative rational number. Fraction numerator and denominator same sign, that is positive rational number. Different sign numerator and denominator different sign negative rational number. That's all. Okay. Decimal representation of the rational numbers. Decimal numbers already you read point number. Okay. Decimal. Decimal numbers come into two parts. Terminating, non-terminating. And non-terminating. Next, non-terminating divided into two parts. Recurring, non-recurring. Recurring, non-recurring. Okay. 1 by 10, 0.1. How many digits 0? 1 digit 0, so 1 point left side. Okay. Decimal numbers terminating. For example, 4 by 5. Okay. 4 by 5. This small number, so 0, right? Point. Next. This place 0. How many times 5 in 40? 8 times are 40. 8 5s are 40. So some steps remainder is 0. Some steps remainder is 0. Terminating. Some steps remainder is 0. Terminating. Non-terminating. Divide two parts, recurring and non-recurring. Recurring means repeated. Okay. For example, 1 by 3. So the 1 is small number. So 0.01. How many 3 in 10? 3 3s are 9. Balance 1. Next to 0. 3 3s are 9. Minus 1. Minus 9, balance 1. Next, this place 0. 3 3s are 9. Balance 1. So, non-terminating, no ending. Okay. Next, repeated steps. This is recurring. Repeated steps, recurring. Not repeated step. Non-recurring. Pi equal to 3.14159265. Non-repeated remainder. Okay. So this is non-recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring is the irrational number. You read 9th standard. Okay. Recurring number is rational number. Rational number. Decimal numbers divided to per terminating. Some steps the answer is 0. So this is terminating. Non-terminating, some steps not 0. No endless. Okay. Repeated numbers. Repeated steps. Recurring. Not repeated steps. Non-recurring. Okay. Understand? Next, rational numbers on a number line. Okay. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 32 by 7. Okay. 3 by 4 lies between 0 and 1. Positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 and 1. Okay. Next. Minus 3 by 4 between 0 and minus 1. Next, minus 32 by 7. This is improper fraction. You convert to mixed fraction. How many 7 in 32? 4. 4 by 7. Sign is minus. 4 minus 4 minus 4. 4 by 7. Lies between minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, draw a number line. 0, 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, first point 3 by 4. Positive numbers. Okay, lies between 0 and 1. 3 by 4 part is equal part is divided into 4 equal part. So 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 equal to 1. 4 by 4 equal to 1. So answer is 3 by 4 mark. This place is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 lies between 0 and 1. Next, minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Negative sign. Okay, so this place is minus 3 by 4. Next, minus 4 by 7. 4 and minus 5. This part is divided equal part. How many part? 7 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal part. First, minus 4. 4 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. This place. Minus 4. 4 by 7. Okay. Okay. Next example 1.1. Write the decimal forms of the following rational numbers. First sum 1 by 4. This is rational number. This fraction is converted to divided by tens, hundred, thousand, easily convert to decimal numbers. Okay, so 1 by 4 into multiply and divide by 25. 125 is 25. 425, 100. So how many digits move from left side? 2 digits. So 25. 1, 2 digits move from point. Okay, 0.25. Next sum 1, 3 by 20. This is mixed fraction. You convert to improper fraction. 120 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 divided by 20. Multiply and divide by 5. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 0 into 5, 0. 5 2s are 10. 115 divided by 100. So 2 digits move from left side point. 1.15. Okay, next. Third sum. Minus 5, 4 by 5. First write minus sign. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 29 by 5. Multiply and divide by 2. Minus sign. 9 2s are 80. 8 is 8. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 2s are 10. So one side left from point. Minus 5.8. Fourth sum. 3 is a rational number. 3 is the positive rational number. So convert to decimal numbers form of the following rational number. 3 is the rational number. Convert to decimal number. by 3. 1 is the small number. So 0.1, right? This place 0, 10. How many 3s in 10? 3 3s are 9. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1. Next is 0, right? 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. 0, right? 10. 3 3s are 9.
Our sign.
So answer is 1 by 3 equal to 0.333 and so on. Remainder is no 0 and the repeated steps. So this is non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and the remainder is non-zero, so non-terminating. And same steps, so recurring. Okay. Next, write the decimal forms of the following rational numbers. First sum 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So multiply and divide by 2. 2 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s, 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. So 8 by 10 we convert to this is fraction part, we convert to decimal part 0.8. Okay. Next 6 by 25. So denominator is convert to 10, 100, 1000. Okay, very easily to the decimal numbers. 6 by 25 divided by multiply and divide by 4. 4 by 4. 6 4s are 24. 25 into 4, 100. So move from left side to digit point 0.24. Okay. Next. Third sum 486 divided by 1000. How many digits? 0? 1, 2, 3. 486. 1, 2, 3. So 0.486. Next, fourth sum 1 by 9. 0. This is small number, so write it 0.10. 1 9 is 9. Balance 10 minus 9, 1. Balance 1. Next to 0. 1 9 is 9. Balance 1. 1 9 is 9. 10 minus 9, 1. So answer is 0.11 and so on. This is terminating and non-terminating. This is non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating, no n plus, not 0. Remainder is not 0. Recurring, repeated steps. Okay. Fifth sum 3 1 by 4. This is mixed fraction, you convert to improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. So we multiply 25 divided by 25. Okay. 13 into 25. 13 into 25. 5 3s are 15. Carry 1. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 2 is 2. 5 6 plus 6, 12 2 carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 325 divided by 4 into 25, 100. So 100, how many digits? 0 1 2. So 0.2 digits, 3.25. Next, sixth sum minus 2 3 by 5. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5 minus sign. Next, divided and multiply and divided by 2. 2 by 2. 13 twos are 26. 5 twos are 10. Minus 9. How many digits? 0? 1 digit. So 2.6 minus 2.6.